Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, the weekend has arrived. Now I got the ultimate super casual dress down watch face that you got to add to your lineup. Now this one is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So you got to download ASAP before free eventually becomes paid. Let's check out this watch face. Now this watch face is by my man MWF. This guy has been really doing his thing with these watch faces, and he's always donating some freebies. So 2 thumbs up to this developer. The name of the watch face is called Green Gold Steel. I like the look of this super casual watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, same info. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on though, I like this analog look. I like the premium looking analog hands, and you got a fun second hand for such a super casual dress down watch face, but it's not bad at all. Now the video isn't going to do it justice, so you got to check this out in person. All right, so you got 4 dials. In this dial, you're going to get info on floors climb, your steps, heart rate, digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. Over here, you're going to get your date info, and you're also going to get your actual date right here. Now the watch face is interactive, so I'll tap here. I can go ahead and pull up my calendar, set an event. Here, I can set my alarm. And here, I can get my calories burned, step info, and everything related to my step status. And here, one of my favorites, I get my weather. Now, if I tap on all 4 numbers, I can set a favorite 4 times just to make this watch face 4 times just that much more convenient. And if I double tap in the middle, I can customize the color theme, and they're all nice. You got to check this out in person. This is the perfect casual watch face for the weekend. All right, you all hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or if it's a leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.